How to check iOS version on iPhone. To get started, you first need to find the settings from your home page. Then, open Settings on your iPhone. Here, you'll be able to make all the necessary changes. Once you're in, scroll down a little. Then, tap on General. Here, you can manage overall setups and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. From this page, you need to tap on About. Then, tap on the iOS version. You can see all the version info about your phone, also the features that comes along with it. Such as this recent update features new Pride Harmony wallpaper for the lock screen and some bug fixes. You can also visit the security content of Apple software. So by following these simple steps, you can easily check iOS version on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.